Welcome to our fun counting adventure. Today, we're going to count from 1 all the way to 100.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11,
12,
13,
14,
15,
16,
17,
18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29,
30,
31,
32,
33,
34,
35,
36,
37,
38,
39,
40, 41,
42,
43,
44,
45,
46,
47,
48, 49, 50, 51,
52,
53,
54,
55,
56,
57,
58,
59, 60,
61,
62,
63,
64,
65,
66,
67,
68, 69, 70, 71,
72,
73,
74,
75,
76,
77,
78,
79, 80, 81,
82,
83,
84,
85,
86,
87,
88,
89,
90,
91,
92,
93,
94,
95,
96,
97,
98, 99.
100!
Learning is fun, and there's always something new to explore with Magic Kids World. See you soon with another exciting topic. Bye-bye.